We present a very common sweet dish in Pakistan, generally called kheer there. It is basically a rice pudding. This recipe will make enough rice pudding for 6 people. To adjust the recipe for more or less people, please visit the recipe page. The link to the page will be in the description below. For this recipe you will need 1 cup of pudding rice, soaked for 1 hour. You may use any rice available. 1 liter of milk, 1 teaspoon of desiccated coconut, 3 cardamoms, 1/4 spoon of cardamom powder, 2 cups of water, half a cup of sugar. You may increase or decrease the sugar according to your taste. You will need 15 raisins, soaked for an hour. 15 blanched almonds soaked for an hour and cut in halves, 1 teaspoon of almond flakes, 6 crushed pistachios and 1/3 cup of condensed milk. Pour the milk in a pan and heat on medium heat. Add the water. Add the rice. Add the split cardamom. Add the cardamom powder. Stir to mix well. Add the desiccated coconut. Stir occasionally and bring to a boil. Once it starts to boil, lower the heat. Let simmer and stir occasionally. When the mixture starts to thicken, add the raisins. Also add the almonds. Add the sugar. Mix well. Let cook and stir occasionally. Once it is of desired thickness, turn off the heat and let cool down. You may use a cold water bath to cool it down to save time. Add the condensed milk. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for latest updates. Garnish with crushed pistachio and flaked almonds. Enjoy!